consent in investigations, clarity, legality, respect. In an investigation, consent isn't a formality, it's a legal boundary. Whether requesting a search, conducting an interview, or collecting evidence, law enforcement must know when and how valid consent is given.
What makes consent valid? Consent must be freely given, without coercion. Informed, knowing what's being agreed to. Specific, to the action requested. Voluntary, not the result of threat or deception. Documented, when possible, in writing or on camera.
What consent is not? Consent is not valid if it's given under threat or intimidation, the person is intoxicated or lacks capacity, the scope of consent is exceeded, it's assumed based on compliance or silence. Digital devices and consent. Some searches require special care, especially digital devices, like cell phones. Even if the phone is in your possession, accessing its contents typically requires a warrant or explicit consent. Officers must clearly explain what part of the phone they wish to access. Texts, photos, call logs, etc. must receive voluntary, specific, and informed consent before proceeding. Be aware. The Supreme Court unanimously held in Riley v. California, 2014, that law enforcement generally needs a warrant to search the digital contents of a cell phone, regardless of the circumstances. Exceptions to this decision could apply, such as if there's probable cause to believe a phone contains evidence of a crime and exigent circumstances exist, such as the imminent destruction of evidence. In this case, officers may be able to search the phone without a warrant.
Why it matters in investigations. Improper or assumed consent can jeopardize evidence, violate rights, and compromise investigations. Clear, lawful consent builds trust and stands up in court.
Consent in practice. Before you search, seize, or question, ask, is this person giving clear permission? Do they understand what they're agreeing to? Can I verify or document it? Consent wrap-up. Consent is legal. Consent is procedural. Consent is critical. Know it. Ask for it. Document it. Contact Campus Clarity via email to clarity@campusclarity.org. Visit our website at campusclarity.org.